welcome to a new video, and it's Spookoween or Halloween but today I'm going to be making something quite Halloweeny themed. What we're making today is toffee apples. Now, I've loved these things, but I've only found them at fun fairs, and I found a couple of recipes online. I looked at them and I made my own one, which was based off all the ones I found, and this one is like a sort of autumny project you can do. Sorry this video is like uploaded on Halloween or before, sorry, that's really sorry. So first in your ingredients you want 300 grams of caster sugar, then also you want 75 milliliters of water, a teaspoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of golden syrup and some red food colouring, and of course your 6 apples. So great news, because I added everything up on the Asda website and it came to a total which was just over £5, so that's good, I guess. So the first thing you want ready is a piece of parchment paper on a wooden board or a tray, and you want your 6 apples ready, and either wooden skewers or these things. These are just like metal skewers and they have some nice grips on them. And basically what you want to do is just push one of these into each apple. You just have to be careful not to push it too far, otherwise it comes out the end like that. And then you have to pull it back in again, and then it's not very neat.
A few inches later.
And now we've got all the skewers in the apples, we should be good to go on to the next step. Now we're going to get a large saucepan-ish. You don't want to make it too wide, otherwise you won't have enough layer of the toffee to cover the apples. And then we're just going to pop our sugar in. Wow, that looks like a lot of sugar. And then we're going to pop our water in, our lemon juice, and we're just going to stir that together a bit. It doesn't need to dissolve first, we're just going to mix this together, make sure it's all nice. And it's going to turn brown, but don't worry, it won't look like that in the end. So now that our sugar is pretty well combined, we're going to pop our golden syrup in. Oh, spilt some on the spoon. So now I'm putting the hob on to a high heat, just to heat it all up really quickly. So our toffee is now boiling, and to check it's fully boiled, we take a spoonful of it and we drop it into cold water. If it cools instantly, so I'm just going to pop this off the side a second. I'm going to bring it back onto the heat, add a couple of drops, mix it in, and now we're ready to do the apples. So now we're just going to heat this up. I'm just going to dip this apple in, and I'm going to swirl it around until it's nicely coated in the toffee.
A few inches later.
So now, after a bit of work, so all done, I would have coated them better if I wasn't actually filming a video at the same time. Make sure that when you use food colouring, it's actually easier to see if it's burnt, because it's gone a sort of browny colour. I'm gonna leave these to set for now, and then hopefully the toffee will be all set, and then we'll be ready to try it. Wow, look at that. Videography. So it's time to test out our beautiful apple. Oh no. I hate when this happens. Oh wow, it's really good, so I love that. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe. Also check out the merch. This beautiful little pumpkin is wearing it for me, so I'm wearing the merch as well. And you can get this also with the link in the description. I've made it as cheap as possible, so you can literally get it for like 15 quid. That's like the cheapest of the cheap on the internet. And that's like with delivery, so go for it, And I hope you had, or have, a happy Halloween, and be safe when you trick or treat. See you next time, kids.